Hey everyone, want to set up Google Analytics? In this video, I'll show you how to create and configure Google Analytics for your website step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Analytics website. Sign in with your Google account or create one if you're new. Next, click Start Measuring Asterisk and create a new Google Analytics account by entering an account name and selecting your preferred data sharing settings. Now create a new property by entering your website or business name, selecting your time zone and currency, then continue through the setup process. Next, choose the platform you want to measure, such as a website, and enter your website URL along with a stream name. Google Analytics will then generate a measurement ID and provide installation instructions. This tracking code allows Google Analytics to collect visitor data from your website. Install the Google tag on your website by following the instructions for your platform. If you're using a website builder or content management system, you may be able to add the measurement ID through its analytics settings. After installation, return to Google Analytics and check the *** real-time ** report to confirm that your website is sending data successfully. Next, explore the Reports section to monitor visitors, traffic sources, engagement, and other important website metrics. Finally, let Google Analytics collect data over time and review your reports regularly to understand how people interact with your website. And that's how to set up Google Analytics. Once everything is connected correctly, you'll have valuable insights to help improve your website and grow your online presence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.